Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For those of you that are new here, we're so glad to have you. My name is Ashley Goodman and my husband and I are part-time resellers primarily on eBay and Poshmark. Now, I'm really excited because for the very first time I ordered a 10-piece to start out sampler order of liquidations from B&G Trading, which is a clothing liquidations online company. So for those of you that have never ordered from them or maybe aren't familiar, generally what they have are pallets, half pallets, and then you can buy 5, 10, 15, 25 pieces, what have you, of essentially 3 different categories and then 2 different types of those 3 categories. So there is a higher end brand, which are generally like Nordstrom or Revolve brands, so in the like $200, $300 range for each item retail value. And then there is what they refer to as premium retailers, so that I am expecting to see like Dillard's and Macy's brands, those type of things, maybe some BCBG, things like that. And then they have an economy brand, which would be like Old Navy or brands that you would see from a department store specifically. So out of those 3 categories, they have essentially 2 subcategories of each one. And those are either new with tags or those are returns. However, they do say on the website that the ones that are returns, they can't guarantee the quality of it, so they potentially could have a hole, a stain, what have you. And all of these are from a retail environment, meaning they can't guarantee that there's nothing wrong with each item. Not every item is going to be perfect. They also do not guarantee from what season that these items are from. In addition to those 3 categories, you can do like a sampler, start out sampler that has a variety of things. And then I noticed that they have like half pallets or full pallets of specific things. For example, I saw I think it was spiritual gangster leggings, and you could, just get that lot or just get a lot of plus. So they have a variety of things, and it appears like they get different things as well. So I'm really excited to see what comes up for them in the future. I did sign up because the plus and the spiritual gangster was sold out. So I asked to be notified when those get back into stock, and hopefully those would be, a really good lot. So this is the bag that showed up today. This is the 10-piece premium, which it had details of like Dillard's and Macy's brand type things. So I'm excited to see what's in here. I was a little deflated, I'll tell you that, whenever it did arrive, because I was expecting a box. And when I saw this bag, I was thinking, oh my gosh, there's 10 pieces of clothing in there. There's definitely going to be a lot of summer items. So I'm worried it's going to be nothing but bathing suits and stuff like that. However, I am okay sitting on inventory a little bit. Just don't want to spend a whole lot of money on out-of-season inventory. So I spent about $94 on the 10 pieces, the premium, and that's about $9.40 each. So hopefully we got some good stuff and we can make some money. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. Make sure not to cut the clothing. Oh, I'm excited. It's like Christmas morning. Okay, so there's a label, an invoice. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm nervous to see if I wasted money. Okay, so first thing we have here, it says Love, and let's see the brand. It's new with tags like promised. I've never heard of this brand. I don't see a label inside. That's kind of weird. There's not a label inside. Well, yeah, I'm not seeing a label other than just this one. And I've never heard of this brand. Chashore? Never heard of it. But anyways, that is what it looks like. I'll have to inspect it a little bit more later to see what I can find out about this brand. First, how to pronounce it and all that. So Okay, that's not so bad. I'm okay if it has short sleeves, just not spaghetti strap right now. I feel like people would still buy that, hopefully, but we'll see. Okay, so far so good. Oh, I'm liking what I'm seeing. We have oh, it is a bodysuit. It is Free People. Oh, that's wonderful. I'm excited about that. So that is a lightweight Free People crew neck bodysuit sweater. It looks like it would be for a tall person. I'm not sure of the size, so we'll look at that later. So that is new. It has the little plastic piece, but the tag's missing, so new without tags, which I'm okay with. I'm not gonna be able to list it for as much, but Free People is a really popular brand, so hopefully that will work out anyways. All right, what do we have next? What I was afraid of. We have some shorts. But this is Joe's shorts, the brand Joe's. So I am excited about that. That's a good brand. And it is a size 32. It's an easy Bermuda, and it's got some distressing. So that's good. I'm okay with that. As long as there's a mixture, I'm okay with it. All right, what else do we have in here? Okay, it's a sweater. It's Guess Los Angeles. It is a small, lightweight, long sleeve sweater-ish, just maybe long sleeve tee. So it's definitely light. It's ribbed. It's pretty cute. So I'm good with that. Does it have the price on it? It does not have the price on it, but it has all the details about it, so it's going to be super easy to look up. It doesn't look like there's anything wrong with that, so that is good. I'm happy with that. Oh my. We have a very sexy dress. It does have the tags on it. Let's see the brand. It's Topshop. And it is a size 6, so that's a good size. I am a little worried about this because it is, it's a little bit nicer now that we are all home. And I feel like it might be harder for me to sell nicer things versus leggings and stuff like that. But who knows? Maybe someone would want it for Valentine's Day because that's coming up. So we'll see. Okay, let's see what else we have. So fun. It's kind of like gambling. Oh, one state. Cute. But definitely a summer item. It's an off the little A-line top, and looks like this wraps around your neck and ties in the front. Super cute, but definitely a summer item. It is new with tags, but it doesn't have a price tag on it or anything like that. But that's okay. I can look all of that up. I just thought it would be easier if they came already with the retail price, so I didn't have to do the research. But I think, oh, that's not even going to stay on the hanger. That's okay. Well, I thought, it would be a lot easier for me if they had, the MSRP or the retail tag on them, because I wouldn't research or have to research, pricing or what to price it at. But that's okay, because I might use stock photos anyway. So, okay, the next item, definitely a summery. This is a Chelsea 28. Never heard of that brand either, but that's okay. And it has their label, and it has, it looks like maybe a security tag thing on it. Again, no retail price, but that's okay. It's an extra small, so we shall see how that does. All right. I'm okay so far. I'm okay. We have a mixture. I feel like they tried to give me a mixture, and I'm at peace with that. Okay, the next thing is a DKNY little short sleeve, like watercolor looking shirt. So let's see if the tag is removed, like the price tag, but the other tags are still on there. So happy with that. I feel like as long as it's like a cap sleeve, I can still sell it during this time, because I mean, even I still wear cap sleeve. I'm just not wearing a full-on sleeveless. Oh, this is in its own bag still. What do we have here? We have a lease extra large petite skirt. So I'm definitely not familiar with a ton of brands yet, being 4 months into Poshmark. So I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong, but yeah, it'll be fun to look all these brands up and see how they do. So cute little skirt, definitely something I'll probably have to sit on for a little bit, just because it's like a mini skirt. But I love petite because they're, you know, there's petite specific posh parties, and I love getting into those, all the different posh parties. Okay, looks like we have one more thing left. The big finish. All right. We have a Leiden sleeveless shirt. So another summer thing. I was afraid of this. I was afraid of all the summer stuff. But hey, it's a gamble. I knew I was going to gamble. That's why I only did a 10-piece. So, okay, so there you have it, folks. And we have one on the ground that is so sleeveless, I couldn't hang it up. Okay, so there's that one. So just to recap, we have, make sure you can see it in the shot. We have more summer, you know, springish items than we do winter, but I was kind of expecting that. The best thing that I got here would probably be the Free People little bodysuit there. It seems really long though, so I need to look up the size. I'm worried about that. I'm also super happy with this Guess little long sleeve shirt / sweater. That's really cute. And then, yeah, I feel like they tried to give me a mixture, and I'm kind of at peace with that. But a little disappointed that there's how many summer things? One, or you know, things you couldn't wear in the winter. 1, 2, 3, maybe that 4, 5, so like half. So we'll see how it performs. I should have the higher end clothings, the Nordstrom brands and the Revolve brands coming in any day now, hopefully. So I'll do a separate video on those to show you guys what I got from that. And then once these guys sell through, I will do an update video and let you know how they performed and give you my perspective on whether or not I'm going to be ordering liquidations from B&G again. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more of it, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and hope you have a good day.